Unboxing Pioneer DJ Headphone. Pioneer HDJ-CUE1 headphone weighs 215 gram without cord. Frequency range of 5 to 30,000 Hz. Maximum input power of 2000 megawatts. Sensitivity of 104 dB. Impedance of 32 ohms. 1.2 meter short coiled cable. Dynamic drivers enable you to feel the bass and hear mids and high-end sounds with crystal clarity, helping you to mix with pinpoint precision. All moving parts have passed strict in-house durability tests, and extra strong metal sliders in the headband bring added reliability. With ear cups that turn a full 90 degrees and a flexible, cushioned headband. And the look can be customized by switching out the cable and ear pads for one of 5 brightly colored replacements. CP08 accessory pack is sold separately. Verdict: 4.5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Aathi World.